One of 7 things to immediately improve your teamwork. By generation purpose. Everything has a purpose. Everything. Yes, everything. When you ask what the purpose of a tree is, you get a different answer from a scientist and a child. When you ask what the purpose of a relationship is, you get a different answer from a teenager and a monk. When you ask what the purpose of a cup is, you get a different answer from a coffee producer and from a parent. When we collaborate, it is helpful to set the purpose of what we are doing together. Because the purpose defines the core, the why of things. Thinking about the why behind each meeting, each workshop, each project, and each interaction will make you think deeper about it and help everyone involved to take better decisions and to collaborate with more ease.